Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Tony Porter with Wicked Artistry Candle Co. Yeah, excuse me, it's cold. But anyway, we are the channel that discusses not only candle making tips, but the business of candle making, the business of promoting your business, which is, marketing and things like that. And we're just happy to be getting back to normal. Now, what I mean by normal for us is in the candle world, supply has been short and demand is out the roof. Okay, so we are just super excited to be back. Today's video, we're going to discuss a new toy, some new toys that I just got, and I'm so excited because I kind of slowed down on my candle making because I was having some issues. The issues that I was having were getting my wick centered. The one thing that you don't want to do is sell a product that is not appropriate. Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna get started because I'm excited. I've been waiting on these for 2 weeks. They finally came in. Wasn't because they was out. It's because of shipping. They're coming from the West Coast, and I want to give a big shout out to 1617 Candle for my new toys. So what these are my wick centers to help center my wicks. All right, that's what these are. Believe it or not, my wick centers, and these right here are my wig holders. Okay, so the centers to help me center my wicks, and the wig holders. All right, so that's what these look like, as you can see. All right, so these were designed for this particular vessel right here, which is also from 1617. I just got these in a little over 2 weeks ago. So I got these in and decided that I needed something that was going to help me out. So I'm manipulating my line. I'm going with the frosted white with the bamboo top. Now, I love this because the lid sits properly in here and it's very thick. But like I said, when you have wicks, you don't want the wick to be all over the place. So here's what this does. You take this, you drop this inside this vessel. Now this was made especially for this West Coast vessel, okay? And then, as you can see, you take, and I don't have this, all right? So you put that in there. All right, now usually I would have a wick stick on her. I don't have a wick stick on her. You put this in here. Now, once you get this in here, then in order for you to get this off, you just take the vessel, turn it upside down, and you go from there. How about we do this? How about real quick? Oh, I'm back. That's how fast this goes, man. So you grab your wick sticker here. All right. Of course, if you've never tabbed a wick, and you stick it on there. All right. So now, once again, you drop this in here. This is the centerpiece. I'm gonna drop this down in there. Now I'm ready to tab this. All right. So drop that in there. Bring it out. Voila. Centered inside. Thanks to 1617. It's going to make things a little bit easier. And now, here's the other half of that. So this center kit, comes in, I think, 11 pieces. So that's, no, 9. I'm sorry, 9. So that's 6 wick holders and 3 centers, which not bad. Now I want to set this aside. All right. Now this fits properly right on top. And I just take it. Could do it this way. Let's see if that'll work. Yep. Pull it on through. And there it is. Perfectly straight, as you can see. Yeah, that's going to slide because I don't have it. You know, it's not level there. Now, if you had other wicks, this section right here, I mean, if you had longer wicks, you just bend this down to keep it from getting in the way. And you kind of just push it down this way. So I'm really trying to do this without. There we go. Well, anyway, you get the point. So, kind of pull it tight. Your wick is down, set it, ready to go. All right, we're clipping that anyway. So, once again, shout out to 1617. Now, here's the cool part to this. If you look inside this vessel, that's not centered at all. And I'm going to show you how I know it's not centered. So, this actually fits it kind of fits, but see how, well, it's a little bit off. Okay, just a little bit. All right, but this is a prime example. Once that's in there, you just drop it and it comes out. Once again, shout out to 1617. You guys have been amazing ever since I've come across y'all. Thanks to Jeff Steely from Steely Handcrafters. Hey, we're back in business. Press the pots up and running. Adding wax. New fragrances are coming. There's 2 more companies I want to test out right now. Nature's Garden and Candle Science are running 1 and 2. I like Candle Science because they're clean scents, but Nature's Garden has a ton of fragrances out there. All right, man, I appreciate y'all stopping by. Do me a favor. In order for me to continue, or, you know, just subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. Let's get busy. You know what I'm saying? We all good. All right. I'm going to see y'all when I see y'all. Wick Lives Matter. Let's get to that. Peace.